वो अकेला रहना चाहता है।
He wants to be left alone. He wants to be left alone.
वो शर्त हार गई।
She lost the bet. She lost the bet.
طیارہ قصبے کے اوپر سے اڑ گیا۔
The plane flew over the town. The plane flew over the town.
وہ جلد ہی بور ہو گیا۔
He grew bored quickly. He grew bored quickly.
یہاں عام طور پر صرف وہی ہوتے ہیں۔
They are usually the only ones here. They are usually the only ones here.
وہ اپنی معمول کی جگہ پر بیٹھ گئی۔
She sat in her usual spot. She sat in her usual spot.
وہ بحث دیکھ رہے ہیں۔
They have been watching the argument. They have been watching the argument.
اس نے مجھے اپنے بازو کے نیچے رکھا۔
He put me under his wing. He put me under his wing.
میرے پاس کہنے کو اور کچھ نہیں ہے۔
I have nothing else to say. I have nothing else to say.
کمرے تک صرف چند لوگوں کی رسائی ہے۔
Only a few people have access to the room. Only a few people have access to the room.